Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually crazy because I found opportunities from companies like Apple, fintech startups, remote internship and backend developer roles, and even a part-time work from home opportunity for freshers. One of these opportunities can literally change your career if your resume is good. Especially the Apple role, freshers usually think companies like Apple only hire IIT students, but this role is open for candidates with just 0 to 18 months of experience, and the tech stack they are asking is actually very relevant if you are preparing DSA, backend, cloud, or system design. So watch this video till end because the last opportunity is a hidden gem for people interested in front-end development and remote internship. Now let's start with the first opportunity. The company is Apple and they are hiring for the role of software engineer. The location is Bangalore and this is an in-office work mode. Experience required is 0 to 18 months and the salary for this role is around 11 to 35 LPA, which is very great for a fresher and experienced candidates. This is probably one of the biggest fresher friendly opportunity right now. This role is under Apple Service Engineering, also called as ASE. Basically, this team handles the large scale cloud infrastructure behind Apple services, meaning the systems powering things like iCloud, Apple services, storage systems, distributed infrastructure, reliability, and large scale cloud operations. So, if you are someone who enjoys backend engineering, this role is honestly gold. Now, let's talk about what you will actually do in this role. You will work on distributed storage infrastructure, you will help improve scalability and reliability, build automation tools, contribute to deployment systems, monitoring system, logging and provisioning systems. Basically real engineering work, not boring support work. The best part is the skills. They want people with knowledge of data structures and algorithms, distributed systems, Linux, Kubernetes, Go as preferred, Rust, Python, Java, containerization, and storage systems. Now, obviously, freshers are not expected to know everything deeply, but if you have a good DSA, strong programming fundamentals, then you should definitely apply. And please don't self reject. A lot of students see Apple and immediately think, why this is impossible. No, companies care about skills more than overthinking. Even having strong projects in backend engineering or distributed systems can help a lot. For education, they mentioned computer science or engineering graduates with strong programming fundamentals. So, if you are from CSE, IT, AI, or data science, you can try. And trust me, even if you don't get selected, the preparation level for this role alone can massively improve your engineering skills, and link is in the description for this one. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. This one is from Desnor Destination and they are hiring for the role of Associate Backend Developer. The work mode is remote and the job is part-time and no experience is required for you. Salary is around 3 to 4.5 LPA. Now this one is actually very interesting for students and freshers who want real backend experience while still managing college or other work because this is a part-time remote backend developer role and these opportunities are actually very rare. The company works in a travel tech domain. You will mainly work on backend systems, APIs, databases, and integrations. Now, the tech stack here is actually beginner friendly plus flexible. They mention Java, PHP, Python, Node.js, Express.js, Django, MongoDB, MySQL, and REST APIs. Meaning, if you know one backend stack properly, you can still try. You don't need to know every language. Your responsibilities here will include writing backend code, developing REST APIs, working with databases, backend optimization, integrating frontend with backend systems, and participating in code reviews. This is actually good practical exposure, especially if your goal is to become a backend engineer or a full stack developer. And because this is a remote plus part time, students can also try balancing it with academics. For education, they're mainly looking for candidates with backend development knowledge. So, if you have built projects using these tech stack, you can apply. Even strong personal projects can help. And one important thing, backend roles are heavily skill based. Project matters a lot. So, don't just write Node.js on a resume. Build actual API, deploy them, use databases, and learn Git. That combination helps much more. And the next opportunity is honestly amazing for front-end developers. This one is from deepview.ai and they are hiring for the role of front-end developer intern. This is a remote internship and it is available for Pan India. Stipend is around 15 to 25,000 per month and the duration of the internship is 2 months. This opportunity is actually very startup core, meaning real production work, real dashboards, real SaaS applications, and front-end engineering. DFU.ai is a fintech infrastructure startup. They work on KYC systems, fraud detection, compliance workflows, and risk infrastructure. As an intern, you will directly work on production grade customer dashboards, not dummy intern tasks. The best part, you will work closely with founders and backend engineers, which means massive learning exposure. Now let's talk about the stack. They are looking for React.js, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, Material UI, Shadcn UI, REST APIs, and Git. This is literally modern front-end stack, and honestly, if you are preparing for front-end roles in 2026, React plus TypeScript is becoming super important. Your work will include building production front-end features, migrating product interfaces, consuming backend APIs, handling loading and error states, improving UI consistency, write scalable front-end code, and participate in code reviews. And this is the type of internship where your learning speed can become crazy fast because a startup internship usually give ownership. You actually build things. Now one more thing I liked here, they specifically mentioned UI aesthetics and front-end quality. So if you have strong React projects, good UI clones, dashboard projects, responsive design skills, and projects built with Tailwind, then definitely apply. Even having a clean GitHub portfolio can help a lot. For education, they are open for candidates with front end skills, meaning skills and projects matter more than degree. And because it's a remote, students across India can apply. Now, before ending, I will give you one quick reality check. Right now, the market is rewarding people who can build, not people who can only watch tutorials and build some projects. You do not need perfect skills before applying, but you need perfect resume, projects, LinkedIn, and GitHub. This combination is super powerful. And one more thing, do not apply to one company and wait. Apply daily, even if you get rejected, because interview preparation because interview preparation itself improve your confidence and technical skills, especially for roles like backend, full stack, or front end. Now, out of these opportunities, if you love backend and scalability, apply for the Apple. If you want flexible remote backend experience, then apply to Desnor Destination. And if you are strong in React and front end, DFU.ai is honestly amazing. So make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.